We are going to learn how to create class in Google Classroom. So at first we have to log in to our Gmail account, then click on app option. Here we can click Google Classroom, or we can directly search Google Classroom here. So this is the main interface. To create a class, we have to click to this little plus icon right up here, and it says create or join. So here we select create class. First we tick this and continue. Then we can name our class. Here I am writing B.Ed 4th Sem, Section A, Subject EPC 3, Room number 1, and then click Create. We can invite student to our class using class code. We can select theme by clicking this option. Here we can see different themes from general English and history, math and science, arts, sports and others. Here I am selecting this theme. Also we can upload image from our gallery. Class code is right here. If you just give the student this class code by email, WhatsApp, Telegram, then they can be able to join the class just clicking little plus icon, selecting join class and putting the class code here. Now we want to add student, so we have to click on people. Here we can see teachers and students. After clicking this button, we can invite students by typing names or email. We can invite them by just sharing this invitation link, or we can directly type name or email address. In the same way, we can invite teachers by typing name or email. If we want to remove any student, just click on the box and then click on action. Here we can remove by clicking the remove option. Also you can send email any individual student by clicking this and selecting email option. We can edit our class information by clicking this setting option. Here we can change our class details. We can invite people by copy invitation link and share it with our student. Also we can share class code. We can copy invitation link from here. Also we can copy class code from here and share with our friends via WhatsApp, Messenger or Telegram etc. In stream option, by clicking this option, we can select students can post and comment, student can only comment, only teachers can post or comment. This is all up to you. You can also set the grading option, but we will discuss it in another video. So in this video we have learned how to create a class in Google Classroom and add pupil. In the next video we will learn how to create assignment in Google Classroom.